To verify your ID in Robinhood, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu and select Account. Then tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Account Options section and select Verify Identity. You will be prompted to take a photo of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure the ID is valid and not expired. Place the ID on a flat surface and take a clear and well-lit photo of the front and back. The photo should be in focus and show all four corners of the ID. Next, you will be asked to take a selfie to verify your identity. Look directly at the camera and make sure your face is fully visible. A clear and well-lit photo is required. The selfie should match the photo on your government-issued ID. After taking the photos, review the information you have submitted to ensure it is accurate. Check that your name, date of birth, and address match the information on your ID. If everything is correct, submit the verification request. Robinhood will review your verification request and may ask for additional information or documentation. This is a standard process to ensure the security of your account. Once your ID is verified, you will receive a notification and your account will be updated. It is essential to verify your ID in Robinhood to comply with regulatory requirements and to ensure the security of your account. Verifying your ID also helps to prevent fraudulent activities and protects your personal and financial information. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily verify your ID in Robinhood and start trading with confidence.